Hi. While we talk a lot about support with chatbots, copilots, and agents, the reality is that a significantly large number of Salesforce customers are still using email to case. And a part of it is because of the extreme simplicity and just pure habit. Recently, one of the customers reached out to me and they have an extensive amount of email to case processes with a lot of sophistication. And they wondered if they can really use AI with email to case. And the use case is somebody just sends out an email and AI can then answer it back. So let's take a look at how something like that would work. I have my email to case address here. I have a question that I'm asking, which is around, does GPTfy have a trust layer? And we do. It's a natively built trust layer. We're just going to email this question and see what happens next. So I'm going to refresh my Salesforce screen. And in a few seconds, we should see our case appear here. So I have the email here with the question, and I have this one line description. So that's all we have. And what you're starting to see is that GPTfy has automatically applied routing to it. And as I refresh, you will continue to see things that are getting updated on this record. So this is happening because GPTfy is connected to an AI that is connected to a RAG, and that RAG model is trained on the knowledge articles from our knowledge base. So basically, GPTfy is able to get a summary from the AI, and then it's able to identify the product because of the RAG. So the next thing you'll see is as we refresh this proposed resolution here will get populated. So let's refresh. And you can see that this proposed resolution now has some information in it, and it's basically answering the question. So this is literally the AI answering, and it's not very different from using a chatbot. So if you were using Einstein chatbot that was integrated with GPTfy, it would be the exact same thing. You ask a question, it goes to the chatbot, to GPTfy, to AI, to RAG, which is trained on knowledge articles. You get back a response and you get a conversational response. So as you can see, now I have a full response here. And since I did not have a name for this contact, that's why this email says dear customer. If this email address was tied to a regular contact, we would get back a proper name for the customer. So let's go and check out this email on our Outlook client here. So as you can see, here is the email that we were just looking at. It's an answer to the question we were asking if GPTfy has a trust layer. And as you can see, it's a very conversational response, right? It is talking about, yes, we have a trust layer with a lot of granular audit of all interactions, masks PII, and all of the good stuff. And we actually do, if you're interested in that trust layer conversation, happy to have that. But as you can see, what this is doing is it is completely automating a significant amount of email to case interactions. And you can add logic in it where you can have some specific keywords that you're looking for or emails from certain kind of customers. All of the stuff that you want to do, you can benefit from this routing here. And you can determine that certain emails are not automatically responded back to. And this case is then routed to a different queue. So that's really how it works. If you're interested, reach out to me. I can give you this email address and you can just kick the tires on it. Thank you so much.